This is my second day out here in this forest. The morning mist still hangs thick in the air, and a sharp cold bites at my skin. My stomach is rumbling, a constant reminder of what I need to do. I have to find food, I tell myself. Today, I won't give up. I move carefully, my eyes constantly searching the ground for anything edible. That's when I stop dead in my tracks. There, on the damp earth, is a footprint. It's not a deer's. It's not a bear's. It's a wolf's, and it's huge. A shiver of fear runs down my spine. I keep moving, but every step feels heavier. I can't shake the feeling that I'm being watched. Then, a low growl echoes from behind me. My heart jumps into my throat. Slowly, I turn around. Just a few feet away, a massive wolf stands perfectly still. Its gray fur blends into the trees, but its eyes are locked on me, sharp and alert. My mind races. Stay calm, Jack. Don't run. Don't look it in the eye. You'll be okay. I remember everything I've read about these animals. Slowly, carefully, I start to back away. I don't look directly at the wolf. I keep my gaze on the ground between us, trying to show I'm not a threat. It's a standoff, a test of my wits against its instincts. Then, something incredible happens. The wolf seems to understand. Its growl softens, and it slowly turns and disappears back into the trees. I collapse onto the ground, my body shaking with relief. I was so close to giving up, but I found the courage to stay calm and think. That day, I didn't just survive. I learned that bravery isn't always about fighting. It's about staying calm and using your mind to overcome fear. That's the day I truly became a man.
Beneath the sky, so vast and still, a whisper moves, a gentle will. Through shadows deep, it finds its way. Beneath the sky, so vast and still, a whisper moves, a gentle will. Through shadows deep, it finds its way. Beneath the sky, so vast and still, a whisper moves, a gentle will. Through shadows deep,